So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can solve your call ended issue on Instagram, whether it's a video call or audio call, but as soon as it starts, it ends at that point. We will go through only 4 steps, so do not skip even a single one. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to open up your settings of your mobile phone, and after that you have to scroll down to the end and you have to go to apps, and after that here you have to search for Instagram. And there you go. And the very first step that you have to do is you have to make sure that your microphone and camera access is allowed to Instagram. If either of your microphone or camera is not accessible to Instagram, that may be the biggest and first reason that is not allowing you to proceed with your audio or video calls on Instagram. So this was the first step. If you are done with it and your microphone and camera access is completely okay, then you have to move towards the second step, which is you have to go back and again go to your settings and go to general and scroll down to the end, and here we get an option for reset. If you are on Android, then the settings may be some or similar, but somehow you have to find this reset option and tap on reset. This will not erase your data from your phone and we are not going to reset your phone, but what you have to do is you have to reset these network settings, and resetting your network settings does not reset any of your phone or data, and you have to just go through this step, and after that go back and try calling using your Instagram audio or video call and see if it works. But if still you're not able to make a call, then let's move towards the third step, which is you have to open up your app store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android. And after that you have to go to the search button and search here Instagram and hit the search button. And when this Instagram app appears up, you have to tap on it and you have to update your Instagram application by tapping on this little update button right here. If your Instagram app is not up to date, this may be another reason for facing trouble in making calls through Instagram application. And if you see the word open written here at the place of update, it means your app is already up to date, so there's no need to update. You can skip this step. And after all this, if you are still having trouble using making calls, then let's move towards the final step, which works like a magic for 150%, which is you have to tap and hold on the application and tap on delete app and delete your Instagram application, and after that go to App Store or Play Store again and install Instagram application again. This will reset all the issues which are going through your app, and after reinstalling the Instagram application, you'll be able to make Instagram calls smoothly. So that's how you can solve call ended problem with video or audio calls on Instagram. Thank you so much.